Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question on less than 500 rating, which is aging. Chef current age is 20 years while the chefina current age is 10 years. Determine chefina age when chef will be X year old. Okay, so you just have to determine whether chefina age when the chef will be X years old. Okay, so you just have to find. So here is given a number of test cases 5, and the first input given the chef age, which is X, and you just have to find the chefina age. Okay, so the chefina is 10 years younger than the chef. Okay, so if the chef age is 25, then the chefina age will be 50. In the same way, if a chef age is 36, then the chefina age will be 26. So I guess it is the easiest question, I guess. So you can try it by subtracting 10 from the chef age. So here is given a chef age. Okay, let's suppose X, and the chefina age will be X minus 10. Okay, so you just have to find the chefina age. If chef age is equals to 25, then the chefina age will become 25 minus 10, which will 15. Okay, in the same way, if a chef age is 40, then you just have to find the chefina age. Okay, so the chefina age will be 40 minus 10, which is 30. So you just have to print the chefina age. So I guess this is the easiest question. You can do it by your own. So let's do this. First you have to take int X, which is the chef age. Okay, and then cn X. You just have to check if X is greater than, you just have to do find the chefina age, int chefina, which will X minus 10. Okay, and then you just have to do cout chefina. So I hope you understand the basic understanding of this code. So let's do this. First you have to do int t and then cnt. Okay, and then while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to take input int X, and then you just have to do cnx. Okay, then int chefina, and then cn chefina. Okay, int chefina equals to X minus 10, which is the chef age, and then you just have to do cout chefina, and done. So let's run this code. The code is running. Yeah, the code has been accepted, so let's submit this. Yeah, the code has been accepted. Thanks for watching.